it's Budget Babe here. Welcome back, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. If you're new, my name is Airie, and here I'm on a zero-based budget where I will be working towards becoming debt-free while building my savings and just living life. So if this is something that you would like to watch, then go ahead and stay tuned and join my journey with me, and you can start yours as I start mine. So today we're going to be budgeting for March. I thought this would be a great thing to incorporate on my channel so that you can see how I do things, but also it may help with how you run your budget. I feel like I was looking for videos like this, and I think there are a few now, but before I was like, how do they put their budget together? What are they doing? And also I'm in the middle of I just created my new A5 financial planner inserts, so I kind of want to test it out. I'm trying to figure out what works, what doesn't work. This is just like a draft, so there might be some mess ups on it, and then I'll fix it, but for now this is a draft. I just want to see what it is I need, and so I need to actually be using it to know what works for me and what doesn't, and maybe it'll work for you. So today we're going to go ahead and start. So we're going to be basically planning for the month of March. I also plan I don't plan for him, but we talk, and I help him with his finances as well. So I keep track of his finances also in this planner. So let's go ahead and turn into the month of March. So this is the beginning of every month I have this. So I think for today's goals, or March's goals, I have a few that's in my head. The first thing I want to do, I think, for March is to increase my income. I'm trying to get some things into place so that my finances can be flowing consistently, and I can be doing more things here. It's really expensive out here, so rent is not cheap, so I'm saving up, but in the midst of me saving up, I also am trying to increase my income so that when I do get to the place that I want to be at, I have consistent income coming in and I'm not struggling. So that's one of my main goals. I also want to use this time to pay off debt, and I increase my savings. So that's going to be my number one goal. Now my specific budget goals would be to at least pay $500 plus towards credit card debt. Specifically Apple. I'm trying to get that down as soon as possible so I can go ahead and start working on my loans. And then the last thing I want to do for my vacation, I want to buy Disneyland tickets. I want to get that out the way. I have a lot of things coming up. So that's it for March. So here we have a monthly overview. I'm going to highlight which month this is, which is March. And I'm going to write down basically my bills for this month. Well, first of all, let's go ahead and put the dates in here. So the first is actually going to be on a Friday. So 1, 2. Okay, so wrote down the dates. So the 7th is going to be when my car note is due. The 28th is when my Apple credit card bill is due. And then the 6th is when my Bank of America is due. And I think that's it for my bills. Yes. I don't really have anything like a specific day where I pay my student loans. I just pay when I get paid. So for now, we're just gonna put the paydays and where's the payday for that? So I paid 22nd. So this is also payday. And then this is payday. So I'm gonna highlight that in green because green means money. Okay, and I believe that's it for the month. I don't think I have anything financially going on this month. Yeah, so typically what I'll do also is like I do branding and graphic design and all that kind of stuff on the side. So typically if I have a client that owes me a bill, I would probably put when they're supposed to pay me on here, but I have to go back and look to see when the client is able to pay me based off of what they can do and also what I require them to do, if that makes sense. So we meet in the middle. But for now, we can come back to that. Okay, so this will be our expenses tracker. So we're going to fill this out for March. And our revenue tracker, and we're going to fill this out for March. I don't think I have a goal. I think my revenue goal is going to be 5,000. That's kind of large, but we'll see. We will see how that goes. So for now, there's nothing for me to write because it's not March yet. Okay, so I'm only going to plan for the first week of March. Usually I'll plan a couple days before my paycheck because I need to make sure that with everything that's going on, the closer to the paycheck is easier for me. Just so I keep track of everything that's going on in my life. So, okay, so I'm gonna turn this a little bit. I hope you guys can still see this. Okay, I hope you guys can see this. Okay, so when I get paid, it's going to be the 7th. Well, actually, I also get paid on the 3rd. So 3, 7. This is client, and this is my paycheck. So this is gonna be 400, but this is gonna go directly to something else, and this is gonna be around 1,700. Okay, so I count tithe as a bill. And then I have, wait, how did I do this the month before? Just want to make sure this is working out for me. Okay, so car note, cell phone. I also consider gas to be a bill. And then that's pretty much it. So this is going to be sorry, y'all. 170. My car note is 890, y'all. It is so much. My goal is to refinance this. My cell phone bill is usually like 120 and my gas is usually 50. Okay. Okay, so extra savings I'm gonna put here first. I'm gonna put my regular savings. And I'm gonna put savings challenge. And then here I'm gonna put Apple. And this is going to be, I'm gonna put my business here. So for Apple, I'm gonna put 150. And then savings, I'm gonna put 170. Ooh, savings challenge is a little tricky to this month. And business is gonna be getting 97. Okay. So then the high priority sinking funds is moving out. Disneyland. I'm gonna put May wedding. My best friend's wedding. And I believe that's it. So this is gonna be 68. This is gonna be 150. This is gonna be okay. The low priority is, well, I guess this could be high priority, but oh well. Groceries. So groceries is gonna be 50. Car maintenance is gonna be 20. Pet appointments is gonna be 20. I'm gonna take my cat to the vet. Hair is gonna be 40. And dental is gonna be 20. This is what I have for this part of the week, like this week, the first 2 weeks of March. This is subject to change if I get more money, if I get less money, but we'll see. So this is what I just have set. And then we're going to do the cash breakdown. So I'm going to write all those categories that I had on this page. I'm going to write that down here. So hope y'all can see this. Sorry, I write to the sides. Okay, so this was, y'all, I'm gonna have to turn it a little bit so that you guys can see. Okay, so one here. All right, what is the total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 100 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then 50s is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then right to the 20s. 10s is just 1. 5s is 3. 1, 2, 3. And this is 5. Okay, y'all. And this should equal 1,700. Now, if I gain more money than 1,700, then I'll change it. If I don't, then it will be less. But yeah. And then that's pretty much it for this upcoming paycheck. And this is how I basically budget. I'll check the front to make sure there's no yearly planning that I have going on. This is when I want the Apple credit card to be paid off. So I will actually, I don't think I have any. I will probably do this in a separate video where I will basically explain everything, all these, and I'll write all these down so that we can keep track of these as well. And yeah. Okay, y'all, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Tune into my next video, which will be cash stuffing, and I'm looking forward to coming to you guys with more of these budget with me videos, and hopefully it helps with your budget as well, and or just motivates you, or we'll just do it together. Things are open to being changed, but right now we're just trying to see what works best for me. Well, I'm trying to see what works best for me, and then I'll either add, subtract, or just change based off of what I think will work for me. Okay, y'all, so I hope you have a great day, and thank you for watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!